Alright guys, my name's Dan from Carli Suspension. I'm the sales manager over here. The guys over at CJC Off-Road asked if they could send a camera down, commission a little private tour of the shop. So we want to show you what we got going on inside. They're always getting questions about the operation. We hope that this provides a little bit of insight as to what we do and why we do what we do and how proud we are of what we do. So come on in, come check it out. Alright guys, welcome to the welding department. Here we got 6 full-time welders burning all the time, trying to get these products ready for you. Everything comes in on pallets down here. It's all US steel, everything is CNC, cut, bent. Precision is an understatement. The welding gaps are all perfect here. There's no grinding, there's no cutting. Everything fits together like a giant puzzle with internal structure. It's tacked up, it's finished welded, then it rolls off the big pallets here that go right back off the powder coat and then over to the assembly area. Here's the second stage of production here. Everything comes in CNC cut as basically a giant puzzle piece. The first step is to get this thing together. You want to fit it together like the puzzle that it is, tack it up, and then you put it in the fixture to finish welding. All right, right here we got our welding manager Mike burning in some of that product we're talking about. To carry on that whole made in the USA theme and keep as much control over the end product as possible, we've actually brought all machining in-house. We're now the home to 4 CNC lathes, 1 CNC mill, 1 manual mill. This is where all the machine parts are turned out for you here. Right now we're running some sway bar end link caps for the 2017 stainless steel end links that we sell for the Fords, and we're also running the cub joint urethane, which is the composite material that we run for vibration damping in the Carli adjustable track bars. So here you'll find the knurled end caps for the 2017 Plus Ford sway bar end links. Alright, so now we're over here at the Carli mill and we got a little bit of skunk works going on. This is the billet drop bracket prototype for the 2017 Plus leveling Ford torsion sway bar. This is the Carli R&D department. So we get a lot of questions all the time. Do you guys offer in-house installation? Nope, we are wholesale only. We've got 1 bay in our entire facility. We are always trading truck after truck after truck after truck. So we don't do in-house installations here, but this is where all the magic happens. Alright guys, you've seen where the products get machined, you've seen where they get welded. Once they go off the powder coat, they come back to our facility here. This is where everything gets assembled. Right now we've got some 3rd and 4th generation Ram high clearance control arms and some 14 plus Dodge Radius arms being assembled. Carrying on with the whole made in the USA theme, everything down to our packing materials, boxes, crates, everything made in the US. Every product, there's no random U-line boxes stuffed full of packing materials here. Every product has its own custom designed box, sealed in Carli tape, and our higher end products even carry their own wooden custom designed crates that are foam lined. You're talking $65, $75 for just a carton, but it's very important that the product gets to you and presents itself as good as the product is. All right guys, now you've seen where everything's made, you've seen where everything goes off the powder coat, comes back in, you see where it goes back on the shelf. Now you're seeing where it goes back out the door to you. So thank you to CJC for putting this on. Hopefully this shed a little bit of light on what it is that we do here, how much pride we take in the operation, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll see you next time.